Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Snapchat application. Alright, so once you have done that, on the left hand side you can see your profile photo. Click over there. Okay, once you're here, all you have to do is scroll down, and here you can see the option for setting icon. Click over there and then scroll down once again. Alright, so over here you can see the privacy control settings, and once you're over here you'll find the ghost mode option over here. Now all you have to do is follow the steps in the video. Now you have to turn off this ghost mode and then tap on my friends. Once you have done that, all you have to do is click on view my stories. Now click on everyone. And then on the contact me, here you can switch this to my friends and their friends. So that is how you can make public profile on Snapchat. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.